If you want to set a custom alarm sound on your iPhone in iOS 26, then follow the steps in this video carefully and make sure you watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. You won't need GarageBand for this method, and you won't need a computer either. This is the new, simplified iOS 26 way to add your own custom sound, and it works for alarms, ringtones, and text tones. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the Files app on your iPhone. Before you do anything else, make sure the audio file you want to use is already downloaded onto your device. You can easily find custom sounds and ringtones on the internet, and I'm going to leave you a couple of websites on where you can download them for absolutely free, so check out the description down below. For example, if you downloaded a sound from Safari or saved it from your email, it should appear here inside the Files app. Now locate the sound you want to use and hold your finger on the file for a second. A menu will pop up. From here, tap on the Share icon. This will open the share sheet, and on iOS 26, you'll see a brand new option called Use as Ringtone. Go ahead and tap that. If the sound is longer than 30 seconds, iOS will ask you to trim it down, so make sure your audio is short enough. Once it imports successfully, the tone will automatically be added to your ringtone and alert sound list. Now let me show you how to use it as your alarm. Exit the Files app and open the Clock application. Tap on the Alarm tab at the bottom. From here, either create a new alarm or select an existing one. Inside the alarm settings, tap on Sound. You'll now see your newly added tone listed under ringtones. Just tap on it once to select it, go back, and your alarm will now use that custom sound. You can also tap Pick a Song if you prefer to use something directly from your Apple Music library. But for custom downloaded sounds, the Files method is the correct way to do it. And that's all you need to do. If this guide helped you, feel free to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.